Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download and install Grab account on your mobile device. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your app store, go to search bar and type in Grab. Now search it up. Then you will find your search results right over here. You can tap on this option of get and double click and wait till the downloading process is done. That is how basically you will install. Simply wait till that blue circle is completed. And once you're done, tap on this option of open, and there we go. You have downloaded and installed the particular app on your mobile device. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.